here like this because we're gonna go to a castle today.
We're Morgan, Chris, Jonah, and Jude. We ditched the 9-to-5 to spend time with each other after years of missing out. We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that grow us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
Hi, explorers! Greetings from
Nevada.
We left our RV in Pahrump, Nevada, and traveled an hour to Las Vegas for a 24-hour excursion.
And our first stop was the Silverton Hotel. So cool.
So baby, can't you see that you was meant for me?
It's not an arcade. It's kind of like an adult's arcade. People come in bet real money, so that's why kids can't go on there.
So when I do that, and then grown up, I said I wanted to play this.
You're gonna come back when you're 18? Oh boy. To be honest, we almost didn't do Las Vegas because we had both been before without kids and thought it just might be a little too crazy. But last minute we decided to do it anyway.
I know, and seeing their expressions when we actually arrived on the busy part of the strip set the tone for the whole trip.
Oh my gosh!
Bright light city gonna set my soul.
We want to
Gonna
have
set
fun.
my
That's
soul
why
on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn. So get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women waiting at home, and they're all living the devil may care. And I'm just the devil with all to spare. Viva Las Vegas!
It's really going to read the end. Oh my god.
How I wish that there were more than the
Thunder for down under.
Do you? No.
Even if there were 40 more,
The Statue of Liberty? This is called an escalator. Well, we just step right off.
all you need to stride and loves of steel. Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas!
It's a Coke bottle, but it's an elevator Coke bottle.
Neon flashing and your one and bad is crashing. All the hoops down.
We are inside a giant Coca-Cola bottle. That just reminds me of the Willy Wonka movie.
We were taking a picture of us.
They are?
Much happiness. As you travel through this life, remember this. If you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right.
Cost me my very last dime. If I wind up broke, well, I'll always remember that I had a swinging time. I'm gonna give it everything I got. Lady luck, please let the dice stay hot. Let me shoot a 7 with every shot. Yeah. Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas! Viva! Viva Las Vegas!
Good job, guys. Let's see it.
Do you think Caesar lives there?
Who's Caesar?
Exactly. Julius Caesar.
Oh, maybe.
Did you hear it? You didn't make it. There are so many things to do in Las Vegas that it can be very overwhelming. And so the next day we decided to only pick 2 things that we were going to do as a family.
And we learned our lesson from the night before. We carried those kids around the strip on our backs, in our arms for miles and miles and miles. They fell asleep because they were so overwhelmed so early. So we learned our lesson and we looked all around and we found free parking at the first place that we wanted to go, Circus Circus.
Vegas for 2, baby.
Oh. Ew, just ew.
You see that? Water.
Oh, wow.
What do you see? Look at that, dude. There are a few trams in Las Vegas that are free, and we wanted to try to save our leg as much as possible that second day. Treasure Island has a tram from their hotel to the Mirage, which saves you about 5 minutes of walking.
But wait, what's the best part about the Treasure Island tram?
Oh, free parking.
It has free parking.
Free parking.
And the one thing that I wanted to do in Vegas, the only thing that I wanted to do was kind of a trek. It's our first tram ride. Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
This is perfect for us.
Oh my god, you jumped.
I never been sit on the floor in a lounge.
Against that glass?
I don't know this. I just love saying it. What?
Doesn't it make everybody look so small from up here? See all these strong things? 3, 2, 1. You're at the highest spot. Woo! Is Vegas too crazy with kids?
Yep.
Maybe. I'm glad that we did it. It was kind of a culture shock, completely different from the things that we usually do, especially being outdoors all the time. But the kids absolutely adored it. They cannot wait to go back. They're asking to spend their birthdays at Circus Circus, which is kind of haunting us because we are so tired from our 24-hour trip. But I'm glad that we did it. And we're so excited to take you with us on our adventure next week.
Yeah, it's going to be golden. Golden, I tell you.
It really will be golden. We'll see you then.
Cheers. We've almost made it from coast to coast. Frog?
So everything that you see that you was meant for me. I want you to love you. Yes, sir,
It's a thunderstorm.
so baby, please proceed to get the love I
Could
need.
be any help. Yeah, you know
Yes, indeed, I will. I love you. I need so much. Why don't you come out with that man?
Trying to scare it away?
Saying you feel me, baby, you're so fine. I want you loving, baby, all the time.
I think you're doing a good job. I think it's going to go away.
I'm gonna get you there. I want you loving all you better.